Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. Um, I'm here with a tool to share with you. It's a useful tool. Uh, you can develop your own MCQs, multiple choice questions. It may be used in educational institutions, in the business offices, and the uh, in by the parents, by those who want to train their children uh, in preparation for their exams, etc. There are so many uses for this. So it's a simple approach. So you have chapters, and you can define your own chapters as well as I have. Initially, I made it for my own studies when the strategic management for the Thompson's book, and in which I used a book of how many, say, uh, many books I have used it. And Thompson book was 13 chapter, and Fred book were like this. And so many books you can include by your own self, means of choice, and with the simplest method. There is no complication. I will show you how to do this, how to make a new chapter and make the new, include the new MCQs and do it. So let's quickly do it. For example, you uh, you want to add a new chapter. Okay, so let's go to the database and say you can see that I think physics is for P, for example, P for physics, and you want to add something like general knowledge, GK 001, for example, and that is here you write general knowledge. This is a chapter you have opened, and you start typing your questions here. Right? So the largest continent in the world in terms of population. Right? So here you type answer, that is Asia. Yeah. And here you type all the choices, say Europe, say Africa, say again type Asia here so that it becomes a part of the choices. America, so on and so forth. And Australia, for example. What would happen as soon as you go to the quiz, you will find it. The chapter is added and it has one question, and that's listed here. And when you select the right answers or wrong answer, then it deducts half number from your marks and you do it. And when you select another option, that this is the right, but no mark is given because you have already failed this attempt. And you select the right answer, you get 1. If you want to add more questions in the same chapter, all you need to do is repeat this here. And the next question is the uh, largest of Muslim population. Located or inhabited in which country? Of course, it is China. Answer is China or Indonesia, I think. Whatever it is, find it out. Indonesia. Okay. So choose where you want this to be located. In which choice say Indonesia, here you say China, here you say Africa, or say India, or say Bangladesh, or say Pakistan. Okay. So you go to here, for example, change the topic. Here you change the topic again. Now you have two questions here. Okay. To go to the next question, you double click here, you go and do the rest. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.